of Games back in another video. So I want to tell you, if you are new to this reviewer family, subscribe and like my videos. Press the notification button to get a notification every time I upload a video. I am doing videos every day. So if you don't want to get messages every day, don't not press the notification button, but subscribe. If you subscribe, I get 10,000 likes in my video. I'm doing a giveaway tomorrow. It can be anything. I don't know, anything. So this is a thing I brought yesterday. It's packing here, and you guys may be wondering what is this. It's slime. It's really slime. It's slime, bro. It's slime. So I bought this yesterday. I live in UAE, so it's 2 dirhams. United Arab Emirates, if you don't know the short form of UAE. It's a desert area, so it's pretty hot outside. You can see there, right there. It's pretty hot. It's night right now, so you can't see like so good. So see, I'm telling you, don't put these on your. I'm advising, don't put these on your clothes. I did this to my clothes and see what happened. All of this, I'm not sure if you can see. It's all now fully, I don't know what, it's full sticky. If wherever my pen touches, it's sticky. So don't put these on your clothes. It's another name for clay. You can make anything, shapes, a sphere and a cylinder, and pretty good shapes. So this was my video today. I'll meet you with another video tomorrow. Maybe I'll announce the winners for the giveaway. Subscribe and like my video, and tomorrow I'll meet you with another video. Just joking. So you can see this. See, it's so smooth. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but this is packing. It's cover over right there. This right there. It came out. See, so smooth, so fluffy. There's some grass. I went to the park today, so some grass. My sister took it there. And become a part of my family, my reviewer family. Tomorrow I'll meet you with another video. Subscribe and like.